Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Garmin Coach plan on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, to set it up, you gotta open up your Garmin Connect app and you need to have your watch paired with your phone. Then wait a little bit and then go to More, go into Training and Planning and click on Garmin Coach Plans. Simply click on that. Now select the kind of a plan would you like to set up. For example, let's go with running. Click that you accept. Okay, and now choose a focus for your training. Train for an event, achieve a milestone, improve fitness. It's up to you which one you'll pick. For example, I'll pick the last option. Then click on Next. In here we have the recommended training plan. Click on Select Plan. Now we gotta select the training level for our plan, Challenger or Achiever. Let's go with the Achiever. Click on Next. Select a strength training type to incorporate strength workouts, full gym and bodyweight only or no strength workouts. I'll go with the full gym. Now, which days are you available to train? Select 5 to 7 days. Rest days cannot be consecutive. Click on Next. When would you prefer your long run? For example, Monday. Next. When would you like to complete your plan? 8 weeks, 12 weeks, 16 weeks, or we can click on Date and we can manually select the date in which it will end from the calendar. I'll go with like 8 weeks maybe. Click on Next. You can change the plan name. I'll just call it Sample. Next. The end date. The training level, you can also, now we have the summary and we can also change the things before we create our plan. But if you are ready, all you gotta do is to click on Create Plan. Okay, getting ready to run. Your first training workout will be available on your Garmin device after syncing. Click on Got it. If you want, you can add it to the home screen, but it's not necessary. And now, as you can see, our plan has been created. We have this in our section, in the section of the Garmin Coach plans under More. As you can see, everything is successfully working, and you'll also be able to launch this plan if you go to the activities, training, and then it will appear in your Garmin app, in your watch, I mean. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.